pada Jumaat ini bagi membuat persiapan awal sebelum menyambung misi dalam 6 siri perlombaan jelajah Eropah. Saingan berstatus 1.2 horse ini dijangka lebih mencabar kerana menawarkan cabaran pendakian beraltitude tinggi lebih 2,000 meter dari paras laut.
Bring me home.
Navigating to home.
What's the weather of my home?
Currently in Port Klang, it's 31 degrees and mostly sunny. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 31 and a low of 26 with thunderstorms. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 36.
Any traffic jam?
Slight traffic in Port Klang. In 3 kilometers, take the exit on the left.
Kuala Lumpur.
Alright, adding a stop at Kuala Lumpur in Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
How many cases in Malaysia COVID-19?
According to Wikipedia, as of the 21st of June, 701,019 total confirmed cases of coronavirus disease have been reported in Malaysia. Keep in mind that the data changes rapidly, so it may be inaccurate or out of date at times. Information about reported cases is also available on the World Health Organization website.
Call Sayang.
I'm seeing Siam Tenu, SMAP, 1 Siam Tenu, SMAP 1, Siam Tenu, SMAP Tenu, SMAP, and 6 others. Which one do you want to call?
No, thank you.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I like to watch movie.
Sorry, for your safety, I can't play movies while you are driving.
Why?
I'm not sure.
Why you not sure?
Sorry, I've lost track. What can I help you with?
Sing A, B, C.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I...
Stop. Where am I now?
Your current location is Port Klang, Selangor.
What time today?
6:21 p.m.
I want to go shopping mall. I want to go police station. Bismillah.
According to Wikipedia, the basmala, also known by its insipid Bismi law, is the Islamic phrase Bismi Lahi ar-Rahmani ar-Rahim, in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. The basmala is used by Muslims in various contexts, mostly before starting good deeds.
What is Freemason?
According to Wikipedia, Freemasonry or Masonry consists of fraternal organizations that trace their origins to the local guilds of stonemasons that, from the end of the 14th century, regulated the qualifications of stonemasons in their interaction with authorities and clients.
How much new Honda City in Malaysia?
On the website zigwheels.my, they say, Honda City 2021 is a 5-seater sedan available between a price range of $74,191 $105,950 in the Malaysia.
Nearest toilet, please. I want to eat nasi lemak.
Nasi Lemak Sambal Hitam on Jalan Kampung Batu 7 is 1 minute away. Would you like to stop there?
Best rating nasi lemak restaurant.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Where is nearest eco shop?
Turn right.
I'm boring now.
Boredom doesn't stand a chance against interesting facts. The World Economic Forum reports that humans have more than 5 senses. Up to 33 different human senses have been identified, including things like equilibrioception, the sense of balance.
Let's dance.
1, 2, cha-cha-cha.